Hey you guys, and welcome back for another video. So on this video I'm going to be doing my individual lashes. I'm going to spare the long introduction on why I haven't been uploading consistently, and let's just get right into the video. So I got the short, medium, and long individual lashes, like I said, by IMV. And then I'm also using the eyelash glue by IMV, and I'm going to be using my favorite tweezers. You can use whichever ones you like. Sometimes I'll use these lately. And then you'll need a spoolie and something to put the glue on. So I'm just using this old plastic thingamahoover. And of course a mirror, a light. A magnified mirror is pretty good too. So if you have one, great. If not, then you got to work with what you got. Now, I did already go ahead and wash my lashes and kind of pluck off ones that were dead or about to fall off. So along with that, you can use, your spoolie, run it through or whatever. Do that. Just get it all together. Make sure there are no little pieces or excess glue that you may have used before. And let's get into this. So I'm gonna start by using just a little bit of glue. Oh, why be damned, the little thing fell off. That should be enough. You don't want to put too much because typically with individual eyelash glue, it does dry very, very quickly. So on the outer corners, I am going to be using the long lashes. And these were at the beauty supply store for $3.99. $3.99. You want to gently, ever so gently, pick up one of the eyelashes. Be careful though, because sometimes they be like this. What just happened? You see? Let me show y'all what just happened. I tried to pick up this one, and then this little bit came. You gotta be very, very gentle. I'ma still use it though. I'm gonna get my full $3.99 worth. Okay. The first one I kind of messed up. And then there's like a little bit of excess glue on the back. Pull that off. It's like a little bit of glue, but it's gone now. So we're good with that. You're gonna dip it, not saturated, you're just gonna dip it in your adhesive. Just like that. Just gonna lift it up and put it on the very, very end. And I try to hold it there for a couple seconds. On there, this is what they're looking like. And I'm gonna use my little fan. I don't got an automatic fan. I wish I did. For about a good 30 seconds, just so it can start drying. But I think it's looking good, you know. Okay, that's enough. So I'm gonna keep going. I'm just gonna go in the same direction, and then when I switch to the medium, I'm gonna come back and show you guys. But for now, I'm still doing the long ones. I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so this is what my eyelashes are looking like. You see? Do you see? Can you see? So I've used about 5 of the long ones. So I'm gonna move on to my medium pack. I'm gonna do the same thing. Just make sure you remove it carefully. Just like that. And then dip it in your adhesive. I got 2 of them right here because, like I said, it dries up quick. And you can tell when it's dry. And I need it wet, okay? Wet. Just try to get as close as you possibly can to the other one without touching it. I'm gonna keep going with the medium, and then I might just go ahead and go into short because it's the same thing. I don't know if y'all want me to keep showing you how I'm just putting it on my eyeball. But I'm gonna keep going and I'll be back. Check me out. Check me out. How I'm looking. How I'm looking. What it's looking like. Only got one eye done. Imagine I leave the house looking like this. Just imagine. Next time I'm gonna do them all the same where I split them all in half, but the long ones I didn't split in half, and you can, you know, tell that I didn't, because look how small the other ones are that are closer to the inner corner of my eye. I think those look a lot better than the ends, but I mean, they're there now, but I just know for next time. So on this eye, I'm still gonna do the exact same thing because I don't want it to look off. So this is the final look. I think they came out great. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.